I got my chain. I got my belt. Mic, drop. We did it.
Yeah, I guess we did, huh?
Well, was it worth it?
Not really, man. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear that.
It's pretty heavy.
Can I have it?
Nah.
Can I keep this?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Yeah.
Well, you guys want to go back to?
Yeah, we should probably go back to work now.
Do we got it? Do
Yeah.
we got it?
Yeah.
But we got a chain. Doesn't
Yeah.
that mean we don't got responsibilities anymore?
Nah.
Usually.
Alright. Well, tell everyone at work I say hi. See ya.
Bye.
It's not even real glass.
Hi, I'm Preston Danger, and Sky's forcing me to make this into a belt buckle.